Hi guys, I'm Wendy from iWen. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and also please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell in order to receive more of my delicious video every single time. Now, recently I received a lot of photo creation from all of you where I start to remake and recreating my recipe. I feel so proud that I decided to feature them in my video. They are all amazing and it encouraged me so much to make better video for all of you. I even put an Amazon link down below for the exact piping tips, cookie cutter and ingredients that I buy for my recipe. So y'all can purchase from there and start to create this dessert and send me a photo. So today I'm going to teach y'all how to make my favorite finger dessert of any party, which is no other than my mini fruit tarts. This tart is so cute and delicious. It fills with layers and layers of flaky buttery crust, custard which is so creamy and rich, and fresh fruits which is so colorful and definitely like a party feel when you just look at them. So without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, onto a saucepan, pour in your milk and put them on a medium-low heat until the milk is scalded. Meanwhile, onto another bowl, add in your egg yolks and whisk them all until they are well combined. And then add in your corn flour, flour, these two are thickening agent, and some white granulated sugar and some salt, and whisk them again until they are well combined. Just look at this creamy goodness. Yum! And at this moment, your milk should be scalded with a little bubble appears at the side of the pan. Now pour them spoonful by spoonful into the egg yolks mixture while you're whisking it. This method is called tempering to make sure that you won't end up with scrambled eggs in your cream. Once all the milk is poured in, whisk them until they are well combined and return the entire mixture into the saucepan. Be careful not to spill it like I do. Clumsy me. And return the entire pan into medium-low heat and stir it constantly for 6 to 7 minutes until it reaches this thick consistency. Once you're there, immediately remove them from the heat and add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir them until they are well combined. Now the following step is optional. You can pass the entire pastry cream through a sieve. This will make sure you end up with smooth and professional looking pastry cream. Make sure to scrape off all the goodness from the sieve itself. And then cover the entire pastry cream touching the surface with cling wrap. And chill them in the fridge while you're making the next thing, our pastry crust. Now, I put in unsalted butter and shortening this time to make sure that I have both flakiness and fragrance at the same time. And then add in your icing sugar, flour, and some salt because salt heightens the flavor of all things. And stir them gently with a spatula until you reach this breadcrumbs consistency, and then add in 1 egg in the middle of the mixture and stir it well. Fold them again until a dough forms. And place the entire dough onto a cling wrap. Wrap them tightly. After that, place them into fridge for 30 minutes to chill until they are set. Once they are completely chilled, weight the entire thing. Mine will be 850 grams. Divide them into 60 pieces. Will be 14 grams per ball for my case. Roll the ball into a ball. What am I talking about? And then press them slightly into a flat surface and dunk the entire thing into flour to prevent your fingers from sticking to it. And then rotate them into the tart shell mold, just like that, using your two thumbs to press them up to the corners and up to the side. Make sure they are overhanging a little bit because the tart shell will string in the oven while they are baking. And repeat again. Just roll them into a ball and flattening them out a bit and dunk them into the flour so that your finger won't stick. And place the dough into the tart shell and use both of your thumbs to rotate and turn and press them into the corner of the tart shell mold until they come out overhanging the tart shell mold. And make sure they have even height so that they can bake evenly as well in the oven. And you're done. And repeat with 60 of your tart shell mold. That's a lot of work. And prick them using a fork. This will make sure all the air bubbles can go out while you're baking it. After that, chill them in the fridge for about 15 minutes to set and bake them in the oven 180 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. While they are hot, immediately out from the oven, brush egg whites onto your surface to prevent sogginess when you fill in the pastry cream, and remove the tart shell from the tart shell mold. You see how easily it can slide up like that? Just look at all this beautiful fruit. They look so fresh and so colorful. Now it's time for assembling. Just fill in this creamy custard onto each tart and then place on these beautiful strawberries, kiwi, and mango for my case. I love this combination so much, and now they are ready. It's time to taste it. Look at them.
เอา拍 video
เอา拍 video 好
好吃啊
好吃很香那个饼很香
你看不到你来这边吃
它 cream 很香很好吃
不会甜哦
不会太甜
好吃啊吃了2个
好吃很香
它的饼香啊
花饼好吃
会甜吗？会不会太甜？
不会啊
会哦好不好吃
很 good
Oh, baby Jensen is so cute. Now it's my time to taste it. Look at it. No matter which way I turn, I think they look so pretty and colorful, right? The fragrant buttery crust with this creamy, rich and not so sweet custard and fresh fruit combination is superb. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and watch my previous video for burger cake, and also follow me on my social media, like and share my video. Bye bye.